Slowly?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're in the same place too. Already? Yeah. Oh, wow. That's big meat. Right? Look that way. You see the light? Well, last time it came through, it was below zero. I'm on. You stay here.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have to hold on, buddy. You just sit there. As long as you don't wiggle around, you'll be fine.
Well, there's bands playing, people singing, all the different cars are decorated cool. They have all full of Christmas lights. It's not long. People have
Wow, look at it.
How was your sweater party? I'm not bored either. So how was that working? Are you going to sign right now?
No, buddy, just chill. You're good.
Dude, it's coming. Just remind you to do that. Mama, right here. Mama, I'm going back here. No, honey.
I was going to say, I don't want to open. You can stand there as long as Mom says that's okay to stand there, but don't move.
Right there.